Well, let me tell you a little something about me. When it's Saturday night, I need to blow off some steam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I've been holding in since o'clock in Monday morning. From the end of the week, I'm bound to blow. We're walking to the honky-tonk like a pack of wolves now. Order up a round of shots and it's away we go. It's a throw down, get down. Order up another round of shots. Run, get drunk, get some, have fun. Get into some trouble, baby, like in a night. I'm a Jim Beam, drinking big, singing la 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 line, dancing machine. Been a hell of a week and I need to blow off some steam. Look at those. Blow up. I got to blow off some steam for a blow up. I've been holding it in through the whole work week. Now it's Saturday night and I'm about to blow. So come on now, man, if you play me none of them slow songs. I need boots, scooting, barn burning, hell raising, get up and go songs. But give me something hot, just give me all you got. Now let's give old Luke Miller a try. Go ahead.
Obstacle in road.
Oh dear.
I think that's somebody's exhaust.
No, it's not. It's Jeff's mudguard. Get out!
Vibrations did that.
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey.
He's just bobbering his bike as we're riding along, that's all. most people do it in the garage.
And we're going right.
No, we're not, apparently. Okay.
Well, they were all indicating right. To the left, to the left.
Definitely this time?
Appears so. Although,
Johnny don't indicate.
No, and Miles looked like he was having a few bike issues.
We've only got 5 minutes down the road.
Epoxy must not have set properly.
Jeff, mobile customisation is not allowed on the roads today, you know?
Yeah, they do say that if you ride a Harley, you have to keep stopping to pick the bits up.
Hi. 151 and 152.
There you go, and there you go.
Thank you.
Sound. Thank you very much, guys.
Right. So find a camping spot.
Oh,
Anyway, we're here safe, that's all that matters.
We're here safely posted on that. I know everybody checked in.
yes. I'm just trying to work out what they're doing.
Anything
Why is
really. Just gonna go
Johnny
over here.
parked in at a different angle to everyone else.
Because he's Johnny. I've not worked this out yet.
So you've got the friction of the fabric slowing you down as you go. From like 30 odd floors.
Wow. Well, what they could do instead is on the roof, they could just have a big locker full of parachutes. And you could just, instead of trying to run down, you could run up, grab a parachute, jump off.
You've got a few times. I think it's so this is the last kingdom is pretty much.
Nearly got that in your mouth.
I've been watching too.
Brandy the stripper. She looks tiny next to the rocket. It's a nice light though, Beardy.
What a difference, isn't it?
It's Jeff's Harley. Jeff's Harley lost a bit, a bit of its kit on the way here. It used to have a front mudguard. Well, that's some bars. I'm sorry. My pants. I don't know what time it is. I'm creeping around, filming people snoring. Pan round. There's a bloke sat there. The funniest thing is, I'm in my pants.
suitcase. All you don't